Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In this video, I'll show you on how you can run Bolt AI code in VS Code. Now I'm in the official instruction in order for you to go ahead and do this method. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you could trigger the use trigger face just like the other applications. For example, you can then go ahead and use this. From there, you then want to highlight the content that you want to send to OpenAI, including the command right here, which is going to be ask software developer. Now you can just go ahead and press on the trigger method, and from there you will be able to go ahead and run both code with Visual Studio Code, as you can see right here. And so, as you can see, it has managed to use Bolt AI in Visual Studio Code. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.